Alright, it's like 85 degrees out today. And my AC doesn't work, so I guess we're just gonna be sweating balls today while we film this video. But before we get to anything, we just hit 10,000 subscribers. Okay, it won't load, but yeah, we got 10,191 subscribers right now. And I just wanted to say thank you so much, guys. I really don't know why there's this many people who have watched some of my videos and decided to click subscribe, but I really appreciate it. And we got 3 members as of today. We got Mehdi, Joel, and Shreyas. So thank you guys so much. You guys can cancel the membership if you want, really. I don't deserve your money. But thank you so much. I guess I'm just some YouTuber on the come up, you know? We got 5 digits in our subscriber count, and that means my opinion matters. So now that I'm some big time YouTuber, I just wanted to share my opinions on something and give a little public service announcement. And that is actually a question. What do you think the least valuable thing on the planet is? Just because of like sheer volume. The least valuable thing on the planet, in my personal opinion, is an opinion, right? Like every single person has a million different opinions and none of it really matters, okay? And just because I have 10,000 subscribers doesn't mean shit. I just want to make that clear because I know a lot of you guys know that, but it's just this weird thing where as soon as you have some YouTube channel and you have a certain number of views or a certain number of subscribers, people start thinking that like you are in some sort of position of authority, right? And that's so stupid, bro. Just because I have some opinion on a car or some topic doesn't really mean that like my opinion is true. You know what I mean? It's just an opinion. And I don't think it's really anything special, and I hope none of you guys put my opinion on a pedestal and think that like just because I don't like a certain car that car sucks, because that's just not the way it works, okay? And so yeah, just before we, is that a Type S? Oh no, it's not. So yeah, I just bring that up because I have ADHD and I forgot what I brought that up for. I think like I've almost built up this persona where my entire life just revolves around cars. Like, I even made that video where I kind of jokingly said, oh, do I think a 10-car garage would make me happy? And I said, I do, but I don't think that. I think the discrepancy I feel with this channel as of nowadays is the fact that like it seems like I'm creating this community around materialism. And I don't like that, because realistically, bro, at the end of the day, no matter what fucking car you drive, it's just a fucking car. But what I'm about to say might trigger a lot of you, and maybe some of you guys would even want to unsubscribe. I don't care. But the truth is, okay, unless you're a professional race car driver who like races for a living, right? No one cares how fast you are at a racetrack. Like, no one cares. I'm sorry, but I don't care how I approach an apex in a canyon road, bro. We're just driving slightly over the speed limit in some curvy roads. Like, we're not setting lap times. I'm just trying to have a good time. Everyone takes themselves so seriously, you know? They talk about so much about the specifics and the mechanics of the car. They treat it so seriously as if it's some form of art. And it is, in my personal opinion, okay? Remember that it's just my opinion. I don't think it's really that deep. No one cares how fast you can go around a track. No one cares how good of a driver you are unless they're your passenger and they don't want to get car sick. And realistically, I know that a lot of our culture is that people care about what cars we drive because cars are some sort of status symbol, and it's easy for me to say because maybe I'm in a position where I'm less self-conscious about my status. Maybe. I don't fucking know, right? But at the end of the day, I don't think people care that much. Like, no one cares. dude. Like, that's my philosophy in life. And that's how I've approached this YouTube channel, which is kind of why it's crazy that there's 10,000 people that slightly care by subscribing. But I just want to make it clear that I'm still going to carry myself as if my opinion literally does not matter, and therefore I might say some ignorant shit. And please don't take what I say seriously and be influenced by it because I'm some sort of influencer. I could have 100,000 subscribers. No one cares, right? Like, I have 10,000 subscribers. Do you think anyone really cares? No, they don't. No one cares. You don't care. I don't care. Well, I care. But you don't care. My family doesn't care. No one cares. We just live in a world where we apply too much value to dumb shit, right? We put too much value on cars or the art of driving. We put too much value on other people's opinions. And also, we put too much value on statistics, bro. Because I swear to God, I watched this video and this guy was explaining how, or like the reasoning behind why he's not married and he's never gonna get married. And his reasoning was that statistically, 50% of marriages end up in divorce. And marriage is like the last resort, right? So if 50% of people get divorced, that means 90% of all people have unhappy relationships. And so when you think about it statistically, he doesn't have a good chance at getting that. But it's like, you're so stupid for that, dude. Like, I'm sorry, but yeah, that's like the same thing as freaking thinking, oh, statistically only 1% of people make $1 million, so I might as well not try to make money. Like, what the fuck? And in the comment section of that video, it's just a bunch of people in their 40s talking about how they didn't get married and they don't regret it because, like, they see their friends in unhappy marriages. And I was just thinking to myself, like, wow, like, this guy has 100,000 subscribers and the message he's putting out there is just so stupid. And I guess if you're like the type of person to just care a lot about other people's opinions and thoughts, right? You're really immersed in social media. You might watch that and go, yeah, I think I agree, right? Or, oh, really? A lot of people think this way. Maybe I should think this way too. And it's just so stupid, dude. Like, it's so stupid. And then I kind of realized from watching that video that, like, oh shit, me talking shit about Golf GTI might make a lot of people think that the car sucks. And I'm sorry, Volkswagen. I'm sorry, GTI owners. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't think that my opinion mattered that much to have that kind of effect on people. But apparently it does. And so now I'm making this video to say that, no, you shouldn't care about my opinion. And you shouldn't care that much about cars either. I think cars are one of my biggest passions in life, alongside a lot of other things. This channel is just around cars, which is why that's all I talk about. But in real life, I have other interests, right? And I think I said this before, but it just kind of, I started getting worried because when I looked at potentially the influence that I was having with this channel, that I was almost somehow encouraging materialism and, you know, the worship of freaking metal things with 4 wheels. It kind of scared me because, especially as a Christian, you don't want to do that. You don't want to encourage the rest of the world to put so much value on something that's going to rust and break down. And I see another Miata. Oh, also, just to address some other things, you know, there's like some people that maybe comment or just watch my videos and they're like, wow, this guy has such a great life. And I do, I really do. But I read this comment specifically where it's like, oh, this guy has a clean ass E46 and a girlfriend. What the fuck am I doing with my life? And it's like, damn, like, I hope you don't look at my life and think about how shitty your life is in comparison to mine, because that's not fair for any of us, dude. I think that's what I find weird about running this YouTube channel too. It's just, you're almost running this big social media account where you have the potential to make people feel worse about their own lives because of how good your edited life looks in a video. Or you might just be drilling materialism into their heads, and just, Why did I start this channel, dude? What the fuck? Well, if I'm being honest, I started this channel because I like driving, and I thought it would be really cool to make a little bit of money off of driving. And now I do. I think I average around $800 a month off this channel right now. I haven't taken any sponsors because these sponsors are so disrespectful, dude. They're like, hey, we'll give you this product you never asked for free, so I want you to make a video about it. Like, what? Yeah, so now I'm like dealing with people taking my opinion too seriously. Sponsors approaching me really disrespectfully. I mean, they're not really being disrespectful, but I just find it disrespectful because, like, dude, like, I never asked you for your product. I didn't even know about your company, and you're almost like trying to take advantage of me because I'm some small YouTuber and you think I'll be excited because you're sending me something for free and then I'm giving you free advertising? That's stupid, dude. It's so weird how, like, you might think to yourself, wow, if I hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, that would be so cool. And bitch, I did it. I got 10,000 subscribers and nothing's changed, man. It's just a number. It's just a number. Just like this is just a car, 10,000 is just a number. And my life's exactly the same. It's been a while since I ranted like this in a video, so I hope I made sense. If I didn't, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to upload a video tomorrow, but I have no videos. So this video is just going up. And if you're watching this tomorrow, just know that I filmed this yesterday. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and caring at all about this channel. And before I finish this video, I just want to say one thing. I know there's a lot of you guys that maybe watch a lot of my videos and you don't comment. I just want to say to those people specifically, to you, thank you so much still just for watching. I don't even like saying all of that because it makes me sound like a YouTuber, and it's kind of gross.